Gilmar and the Dreamland, the enchanting journey of an elf princess.
In a realm far away, nestled within the heart of the magical emerald forest, there lived an elf princess named Gilmar. The emerald forest, known for its towering emerald trees and vibrant butterflies, was a realm of enchantment and wonder. However, a shadow fell upon this mystical land when the crystal pond's waters turned dark, flowers withered, and a somber atmosphere enveloped the once thriving forest. Gilmar, with her long golden hair and emerald green eyes, learned of the forest's distress. With determination in her heart, she adorned herself in the attire befitting an elf princess and armed herself with a magical bow. The task at hand was clear: to uncover the source of the curse that plagued the emerald forest and restore its beauty. As Gilmar ventured through the mystical paths of the forest, she encountered the first challenge, a mysterious melody echoing from the distant Echo Mountains. Following the captivating tune, she stumbled upon a magical choir within the heart of the forest. However, the song was hauntingly melancholic, disrupting the natural harmony of the emerald forest. The choir revealed to Gilmar the urgency of her quest. She must delve deeper into the forest, seek the source of the curse within the crystal pond, and free the emerald forest from the grip of this ancient enchantment. Undeterred, Gilmar pressed on, guided by the colorful butterflies that danced around her, showing the way through the magical pathways of the emerald forest. Guided by the whimsical dance of colorful butterflies, Gilmar continued her journey through the heart of the emerald forest. The path led her to the mysterious misted cave, a place cloaked in magical mist and guarded by supernatural creatures. As Gilmar entered the dark cave, she faced magical traps and encountered creatures of ancient lore. Yet, her courage and skill with the magical bow helped her navigate through the challenges. The echoes of the cave whispered secrets of the forest, and Gilmar felt the weight of her quest intensify. Deep within the misted cave, she reached a grand chamber that revealed the origin of the curse. An ancient sorceress lay submerged within the depths of the crystal pond, seeking to enthrall the entire forest into her dark dominion. Gilmar, undeterred by the sorceress's dark presence, confronted her with determination. A magical battle ensued between Gilmar and the sorceress. Sparks of magical energy filled the chamber as Gilmar wielded her bow against the enchantments of the ancient sorceress. The fate of the emerald forest hung in the balance. After a prolonged struggle, Gilmar emerged victorious. The sorceress was defeated, and the curse that gripped the crystal pond was lifted. The magical mist within the misted cave dissipated, revealing the true beauty of the emerald forest. The crystal pond, once darkened by the curse, now sparkled with clarity. The withered flowers began to bloom, and the somber atmosphere lifted. Gilmar's courage and skill had triumphed over the ancient enchantment, and the emerald forest began to rejuvenate. As Gilmar exited the misted cave, she was greeted by the jubilant melodies of birds and the vibrant colors of the revitalized forest. The once haunting melody from the Echo Mountains transformed into a joyful chorus. Echoing through the emerald forest, with the second challenge overcome, Gilmar continued her quest, guided by the renewed energy of the enchanted realm. The vibrant beauty of the emerald forest accompanied her as she ventured towards the next chapter of her magical journey. Encouraged by the renewed vibrancy of the emerald forest, Gilmar ventured forth to explore the next chapter of her mystical journey. Her path led her beyond the enchanted woods, where she discovered a hidden passage that transported her to the mesmerizing realm of Diari, the Dreamland. In Diari, the air was filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers, and the landscape was adorned with ethereal beauty. The vibrant colors of the Dreamland surpassed even those of the emerald forest. As Gilmar marveled at the breathtaking scenery, she encountered a unique community of creatures, the elusive and enchanting rainbow fish. These rainbow fish, with scales that shimmered in every color imaginable, danced gracefully through the crystal-clear waters of Diari. Drawn to their mesmerizing movements, Gilmar found herself immersed in the underwater ballet, captivated by the harmony of the Dreamland. As she continued her exploration, Gilmar encountered the heart of Diari, an island where dreams took refuge. Here, dreams that had been lost or forgotten found a sanctuary, and the island radiated an aura of pure magic. The dreams, represented by floating orbs of light, whispered tales of their journeys. Curious and compassionate, Gilmar conversed with the dreams, listening to their stories and learning about the power they held. In return for her kindness, the dreams gifted Gilmar a magical artifact, a shimmering crystal that held the essence of the dreams. Empowered by the magic of the Dreamland, Gilmar realized that her journey extended beyond the Emerald Forest. The dream spoke of other realms in need of restoration, and she felt a deep sense of responsibility to bring harmony to these magical lands. With the guidance of the dreams and the radiant crystal, Gilmar bid farewell to Riyadiyari. As she emerged from the Dreamland, she carried with her not only the enchantment of the Emerald Forest but also the newfound magic of the dreams. The next chapter of Gilmar's adventure awaited, promising more wonders, challenges, and the chance to bring restoration to realms touched by the magic of her courageous heart. With the essence of dreams lingering in her heart, Gilmar continued her journey, guided by the radiant crystal she received from Riyadiyari. The enchanted forest and the Dreamland had become a part of her, and she felt a profound connection to the magical realms. Her path led her to the colorful mountains, a majestic range where the peaks touched the sky in a palette of vibrant hues. As Gilmar ascended, she encountered Queen Irida, the ruler of this enchanting realm. The queen welcomed Gilmar with open arms. Acknowledging her as a kindred spirit with the ability to bring color and life to the world, Queen Irida explained that the colorful mountains were facing a unique challenge. The vibrancy of the realm was gradually fading, and the once bustling colors were losing their brilliance. Gilmar, fueled by her experiences in the Emerald Forest and Riyadiyari, pledged to help restore the colorful mountains to their former glory. Together with Queen Irida and the realm's inhabitants, Gilmar embarked on a quest to revitalize the fading colors. They journeyed through the intricate passageways of the mountains, encountering challenges that tested their determination and unity, guided by the lessons learned from her previous adventures. Gilmar used the magic of her bow, the wisdom of the dreams, and the support of her newfound friends to overcome each obstacle. As they progressed, the colors of the mountains began to shimmer and dance once again. At the summit of the colorful mountains, Gilmar and her companions witnessed a breathtaking spectacle. The vibrant colors, restored to their full glory, radiated a magical energy that permeated the entire realm. Queen Irida expressed her gratitude, recognizing Gilmar as a true guardian of harmony and color. With the colorful mountains revitalized, Gilmar bid farewell to her new friends. Queen Irida gifted her a special crystal, infused with the essence of the realm's colors, as a token of appreciation. As Gilmar descended the mountains, she carried with her not only the magic of the colorful mountains but also the memories of the Emerald Forest and the dreams of Riyadiyari. Her journey continued, and the realms she visited echoed with tales of her bravery and the restoration she brought. Gilmar, now known as the Guardian of Harmony, ventured into new lands, ready to face challenges and spread the magic of color and dreams wherever she went. And so, the legend of Gilmar lived on, an enduring tale of courage, friendship, and the enchanting power of a guardian's heart.